Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a simulations particle using trapcode particle effect. It's very easy and let's get started. Okay, first create a new composition, then hit OK, go to layer, new solid, and I'll call it particular 1, and I'll go to effect, trapcode, and particle, and OK. Yeah, now I'll go to open emitter and I'll change particles per second to 20,000 and no velocity 0 and set point to sphere. And now I'll go to emitter size and I'll change emitter size Y to 0, also emitter size Z to 0, and emitter size X I'll change it to 100 like this. Okay, again I'll go to position and position Y and I'll bring this particle down like this. Okay, now I'll go to physics, air, and I'll change wind Y to -500. Yes. Okay, now I'll go to particle, I'll change life per second to 2. Also, size, I'll change it to 1. Or right now 1, maybe 2. And size, opacity over life, presets, and I'll choose this one. And I'll go to randomize and smooth. And now I'll go here and I'll make some changes here like this. Yes. Okay, now I'll go to color over life and color over life presets, and I'll choose these colors. And again I'll go to physics and turbulence field, and effect position I'll change it to 1000 like this. Yeah, looks very good. Okay, octave multiplier, and I'll change octave multiplier to 1. Also feeding time 1, and move with wind 100. And okay, now I'll go to particle here and I'll go to effect and stylize and glow. Okay, let me close this. Glow. Okay, and I'll change glow threshold to 73, and I'll increase radius like this. And again I'll go to Control C on glow and I'll make some changes here. So I'll go to glow threshold and I'll change it to 25. 25, and also I'll go here and I'll choose A and B colors, and again A and B like this, and radius 200. Yes. Okay, again I'll go to effect and color correction and curves. I'll make some changes here, and I'll go to alpha and okay. Again, I'll go to layer, new solid, and I'll call it particular 2. I'll put it down and I'll go to effect, trap code, particular, and emitter. I set point to box, no velocity here, and size Y, X, and Z. Increase it like this. You can make it HD. And I'll go to particle and I'll change size to 2. And color overlay and color overlay presets, and I'll choose these colors, and I'll go here and take glow curves, Control C, and okay, yeah, and I'll change size just 2 more to be looks good, and emitter I think 500. Okay, now I'll go to layer, no solid, and background. I'll put it down and I'll go to effect, generate, and generate ramp. I set linear ramp to radial ramp, and I'll put this point into the middle, and I'll change this color to blue like this, and this is down. Okay, this is our tutorial today, so if you like it, don't forget like, share, and subscribe, and goodbye.